Hello, guys. Hello, people. Hello, people. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening to one and all in the house. Good evening. Welcome to the Life Transformation Season 5, people. Life Transformation Season 5 is here, everybody. Nice to see you, people. The time right now is 10 p.m. 10:00 p.m. Yes, everybody. Nice to see you guys. This is the second day of Life Transformation Season 5, guys. Second day, and you are here because you're hungry for your own growth. There is a grand future waiting for you, people, and that is why you are here, because you believe that you can become great. And yes, greatness will come to you, everybody. You just need to do it one more day. That's it, and eventually you will live the life which you always wanted, guys. This is what is life transformation about. Let me quickly do the setup and then we will be getting started. Yes. Okay. So the time right now is 10:00 p.m. and we are meeting here again for a second day of life transformation. It is a series of 21 days which can change your life from this old version to the new version. Everybody in life wants to become great. Everybody in life wants to live to the fullest potential where there are no limitations, right? You want to become that, yes or no? The success, right? What is your definition of success? It could be anything, people. Happiness, satisfaction, money, position, power, family, friends, community, vacations, adventure, wisdom, health, any definition of success, people. And that is what this life transformation is going to take you to, that journey. No matter whatever your past could have been, that doesn't really matter if you know the right techniques by which your mind and the body operates. If you know the right ways of doing things, I want to tell you, people, you can customize your mind and the body to become successful. The sad reality of the society is many people don't know how they work, right? Guys, you need to understand one simple thing. You might purchase any gadget from the market. Yes, television, washing machine, your phone and all, everything comes with a manual, right? A readme kind of instructions which you read and then you know how it operates. But the most complicated piece, your brain does not have. Yeah, most complicated piece, your brain does not know basically how it needs to be operated. There is no manual for your brain, and the people are trying to, there is huge research put into understanding why your brain works like this, neural connections, why do you think like that, and still, guys, the mysteries are way away, and that's how complicated. And point is, many people of the world are not even spending time to understand why they think what they think and how they react in their life. And because they don't spend time in understanding life, and that's the reason many people forever stay average, because they have never understood what life is about. And that is what, guys, I've spent immense years in doing R&D about it, research about it, and then I came to know, guys, for small things, your examinations, you do so much hard work. We read books, we prepare, but when it comes to life, ask to yourself, what preparation have you done for your life? People at the age of 30s, 40s, 50s, there is no preparation for leading a successful life. What they are worried about? Job, money. Nobody cares about inner peace. Nobody cares about mindset training. Nobody cares about their health trainings. Everything is short term these days, guys, but nobody cares about the long term becoming successful. Just imagine if that becomes your goal, becoming successful in life, and then planning and strategizing the way you used to do it in your school and college days. Your life will change, but nobody does that. I want to tell you, people, there is a strategy by which you can live your life, and then all the greatness will come your way after that. This is what it is about, and this life transformation is a 21-day program which is composed to give you step-by-step instructions which can take you towards the best possible potential which you already have, and you can live your life to the fullest, where there are no limitations. If you say I want to become great, there is a strategy you need to follow and you will become great. Okay, you will become great, guys. It is that obvious. And how do I know it? I studied it, I applied it, I saw results in it, and when I proved it for myself, I blindly, guys, every single day of my life I am applying that, I am seeing results, and I want to give these techniques to you people as well, so that you can join in the same journey. Now let's begin. Today is our second day and very important topic, very interesting topic, guys. Right from today, we would start uncovering the brain working mechanics, people. And what are these mechanics? You need to understand a few things about your brain, and then you will be able to crack success in your life. Okay, yesterday we said one point, guys. What did we say? Like, everybody wants to become successful. All the people in this house, everybody wants to become successful, yes or no? You want to become great, you want to make money, you want to have a great family, adventure with your friends, you want to have a nice time, you need to have all the health, all the wisdom, everything. Everybody wants to become successful. But the point is, guys, okay, there were a lot of people who started doing R&D. Okay, what is the right way of living life? And do you know what they did? They went to the old age homes. Okay, those people who are like old now and they are in the final decade of their lives, basically. They have lived their life to the fullest. Now researchers, okay, they went to this old age home and then they started, like, if you want to understand life, you need to learn from the people who have actually lived life, right? Not from somebody like 30 years old me. I have not really lived it, but the right way would be to go to these old age homes, the people who are old, and ask them, what do you think how we should live life? And people, research happened like that. And you know what happened? As part of this research, there were observations collected from a lot of people. Like, and then on an average, people, on an average, the observation was the common thing about life, which everybody, all the old people said, you know what that was? Yesterday we already spoke about it. Almost everybody had regret in their life. They all said, I wish when I was in my 20s or 30s, I should have done things differently. Guys, ask a question, ask an honest question to yourself. Okay, right here, today is 4th of August 2020. Ask a question to yourself. Are you really doing what you really want to do? Okay, or are you living a life which is laid down by other people for you? Okay, maybe because of XYZ conditions, guys. Maybe because you wanted money, that is why you're not following your passion, you're into the IT industry right now. Maybe because your parents wanted you to do something, that's why you're doing it right now. Maybe the society will not like if you do what you want to do, that is where you're doing things right now. For XYZ reasons, you're doing things which you don't really actually want to do, and then this kind of life continues. When you're in 20s, you go to 30s, 40s, 50s, and when you're in the final days, you say, I wanted to do something different, and then I might have felt that happiness, but I wish I should have done it. And this is what is mediocrity, guys. And that's where, guys, the people like me will be there, who knows to learn from the mistakes of others. Okay, and then for them the time is not going to come back. They will never become 30 again, 20 again. Their life is gone. But we people in the growing generation, we can get inspiration from such people. Oh, they committed that wrong thing, we should avoid doing that in our lives. And then in the present moment, when we come back, we need to ask ourselves, okay, today, guys, I want you people to ask a question to yourself. What you're doing in life, do you really want to do that? Okay, maybe you can parallelize 2-3 things together, but don't leave what makes you happy, guys, no matter what it is. On a regular basis, put time, put energy, and do what you love. I'm not saying you have 24 hours, people. You can spare 2 hours towards your greatness. 2 hours what you like to do. Be it anything, guys. Be it dancing, be it singing, be it painting, be it talking, be it communicating, be it loving people, be it caring about others, but something which you like. Spend 2 hours on a daily basis, you'll find miracles happening. Okay, the regret will not come. But as part of today's session, guys, I want to tell you one very interesting thing. Okay, very interesting thing, guys. Okay, why is it when this survey was conducted, it was noticed like 80% of the world, basically, they are not living the life which they want. And that is nothing but average life. 80% of the world is living an average life, and there are only 20% of the people who are living successful life. Now that is a big question. Everybody wants to become successful, but only 20% of the world is becoming successful. And it's a big number, 80% average people. It's a big number. You can belong in that, I can belong in that, guys. We have not seen our futures, right? We people can belong. 80% of the world is a big number. And as part of today's session, I want to take time to explain you people why 80% of the world fails basically. Your dreams might be big, you have potential, your dreams are big, still you are not becoming successful. We need to understand, once we know the problem, then we can try to solve it. Many people don't even know that they are in problem, and that is where on their deathbed they realize, oops, my life was a problem. People, today we need to take time out to understand these things. Very important stuff, guys. Okay, now what is happening is, you need to understand how your brain works. Okay, right now, whatever your age could be, while I am saying, you need to analyze it for yourself, guys. These talks are not inspirational talks, not motivational talks. These are eye openers for you, for your way of living life. You need to analyze, evaluate yourself with my every statement. Where do you belong basically? Okay, everybody is different. You need to analyze yourself. Okay, so now what I'm saying is, whatever your age is right now, people, okay, how does the brain work? You have lived a life from 0 years of age to, let's say you're 25 right now, to 25 years. You have spent 25 great years on this planet. Okay, now as part of these 25 years, there might be things which happened which are really great about you, right? Some moments might have come in your life where you felt great, where you felt confident, where you felt amazing, where you felt happy, you felt brave, courageous, right? Those kind of moments has happened. But at the same time, in your past, there are moments, there are memories where you actually failed, or you might got have punished in your life, or some serious tragedies might have happened in your life. Nothing but, people, in the past, good exist, bad also exist. Both the things exist in the past. Yes or no? And you know what? Where are these things right now? These things are available in your brain in the form of memories. Guys, I completely don't know what is running in your life, what has happened in your life, but you know it. That means your brain is always having these memories of the past, of past 25 years. You know what the problem of people is? You might be experiencing this thing, right? In your personal life, you might have experienced. You do 100 good things. Okay, you are doing 100 good things. And everybody like, maza hai, nice, very good, you are very good, you are very good. 100 good things. But you do one bad thing or one wrong thing in your life. What happens? Everybody blames you for that single wrong thing. All of a sudden, the 99 or 100 good things which you have done in the life nullifies in comparison to one wrong thing. People just give up on you, yes or no? That's how the society runs. Yeah, you do good things. As long as you have not done that one wrong thing, people, everybody appreciates. As soon as you do that one wrong thing, one mistake, everybody counts you for that. They forget how great of a person you were in the past. You need to understand, guys, this, and the society is nothing but composed of you, composed of me, composed of thinking brain like us. And you know what? You are no different. If somebody else has done so many good, one wrong thing he does, you will be pointing him, you will be blaming him for that one wrong thing. And it doesn't end, guys, on pointing to others. The tragedy of life is you point to yourself as well unconsciously. Today I am going to open that eyes for you people. What is happening is, you have lived past 25 years, but when you stay in the present moment, when you look back in your life, many people, almost 80% of the world, they look back in their life. There is good, there is bad. Because of the brain's thinking, they ignore the good things, and then they spot only the worst, negative, bad things which has happened in their life. You need to understand, that's how human psychology is, and you are creating problems for yourself. You look back in the past, you find all the places where you failed in life, where you gave up, where you became lazy, where you became demotivated, depressed, right? And now what happens? You take those feelings of the past, right now it is all in your brain. You just imagine, you memorize it. It doesn't exist outside, guys. I don't even know what you are dealing with right now in your life. You know it. And what happens when you know it? You load those painful memories of the past into your brain. And guys, now you need to understand one important thing. Might be aware, but they are not practicing it, guys. Whatever memories you load in your brain, the brain instructs the entire body to behave like that. You want to know a real example? You want to know an example of that? Okay, let's say you're about to walk to your, just imagine, for all of you people, for your first interview. Okay, you might have gone for your first interview. There might be some people confident enough, but many people, what happens? First interview, nervousness starts coming up. Yes or no? First interview, all about nervousness. Something tickling will happen in your stomach basically. You would be scared, you would be panicked. What is happening? There is just a thought loaded in your mind that I am supposed to go for interview. That thought, brain is providing some instructions to your physical body to get into a panic situation. Right? Just imagine, in your past you might have gone for some stage appearances basically. Yes or no? On stage there is a mic in front of you, there are like 1,000 people. Many people would have like been quiet, mute in front of audience. Nothing but if you just think about that, your body basically panics. Even right now, just imagine in your life, if something very tragic might have happened, right? You might have met with a bad accident, or somebody might have cheated on you, your friends betrayed you. Every a terrible past, people, you need to understand that in your past, if something bad would have happened, you load that memory in your mind right now, then the brain provides instructions to your entire body, and you know the end result of that, your present moment, you feel the same what you felt in the past. So in the past, if somebody cheated you, you feel demotivated at that time. Right now your brain tells your entire body to feel demotivated, to feel lazy, to get low in your confidence. This is how the brain works basically. Okay? And you know what? Guys, these things are not just talks. These things are not just talk. There was a research conducted. Okay, there was a research conducted. Okay, the doctors attach scientific equipments on athletes. Okay, somebody who does a running basically. Okay, some athlete person, he was attached to a machinery. Okay, in the hospital some experiment was being conducted. He was attached to some machines, entire body, heart rate, pulse rate, and all those calculations were being made, and the doctors told him to just think or imagine as if he's running on top of a mountain in an inclination basically going up. And they said imagine it so strongly that you're doing it, something which he does regularly in his life. The doctors asked him to just think that he's running up the mountain, and you know what happened? They attached all the machinery. You know what? Just with that thought process, the brain gave the instructions to the entire body, and the way if he will run on top of a mountain, the heart rate, the pulse rate, the breath pattern will go. Just with the thought process alone, the machine read all that symptoms from the physical body. So there is a great thing which you need to understand. The thoughts which you load in your mind, basically the brain will give the same instructions. Now I want to tell you people something. When you are today on 4th August in your life, when you look back, many people of the world, they choose to see their failures of the past. Somewhere where people cheated them, somewhere where people betrayed them, somewhere where they failed in life. Miseries of life, because human psychology looks at the negative things first. You also look at that, I also look at that. Our psychology is like that, and when we do that, we load those negative things, and whatever we felt at that time, failures, not doing like something, giving up on life, you know what, the brain instructs your body in the present moment to do the same thing. Now what will happen, people? You want to become great, but because of your wrong way of thinking, your present moment is also screwed up. And guys, if you're feeling low in life, demotivated in life, just imagine how will this person be able to fulfill his dreams? No matter whatever work that you will do in the present day, you don't have the energy, and you will not be able to get the work done in the best possible way. And you know the tragedy of life, why do 80% of the world fails? Today, 4th August, they instruct their body for feeling low in confidence, that today is spoiled, they go to tomorrow, they again think, they load the same bad memories of the past. Their 5th August also becomes horrible, and day by day you are not letting your past go away. You're carrying your past throughout your life, and then you believe that this is what is my life. To become big, but I failed in my life. Guys, failures are okay, but you're carrying that baggage on your back every single day of your life. You're carrying that baggage. I failed, I failed, I failed. You're unconsciously telling your present moment also like you are a failure, and today in the present moment also you will fail. This is what is the reality of life. You will fail today, you will fail tomorrow, and you will even fail throughout your life because you're not ready to let go your past, people. That is the problem. When you look back, you choose negativity, you load negativity, and you carry that forward, people. As part of today's session, I want to tell you, people, struggle is there in everybody's life. Everybody sees both success and both failures. It's your choice. What do you want to load? I want you people to do one thing today. Okay, immediately after the session is done, I want you people to look back in the life and try to find out things where you succeeded. Okay, where you feel proud about yourself, about your existence, where you did great things, and everybody has that, guys. Don't tell me magically you just have crossed this 25 years, all the memories will be there, because now this is another problem. Because you don't think about those memories, slowly and steadily your brain eliminates them. Okay, slowly and steadily your brain eliminates them. That is another problem. So I want you people to today look back in your life and then see what are the great things which you have done, and if possible take a pen and a paper and write down the achievements which you did in the life. Don't focus on the negative part, focus on the positive part. What is going to happen when you feel, hey, I've done that in my past, that's awesome. When you load these kind of proud feelings about yourself, brave feelings about yourself, courageous feelings about yourself, what will happen? The brain will be like, you're an amazing person, you can do so many incredible things in the past. That means you are marvelous, you're brilliant, you're awesome. The brain is going to provide that instructions to your present body. Then nothing but in your present moment you will feel powerful. And with that power, whatever you do in present moment, that will already be solved with ease. Just imagine why there is a difference. Some people are able to do things in life in a very easy manner. Some people are not able to get the things done because they are stuck in the past. In the past, they might not have been able to do it. And then they believe, I am not capable of doing this. And because of that thought, the brain says, when you think you're not capable, how can you even do it? Give up. But there will be so that's the task for today, people. Look back in your life and see all the moments where you were very great, powerful, proud, and load those things in your brain. And you have to do that every single day of your life, basically. When you look back, if you get a thought of looking at the negative aspect, I want you people to change that with a positive thought of the past. Load it, your brain, you will find results immediately. Simple technique. Don't think about negative past, think about the positive things which you have done. Your present moment will change, and you do that on a day by day basis, your future will change. And that's what you're leaving your baggage of the past and you're inviting the bright future. This is the way of living life. And you know what, guys? When people discovered this thing, the scientists, the researchers, they are not going to leave things easily, guys. Now this is where I'm going to tell you a miraculous thing. Okay? Now everybody in the past might have a different experience, yes or no? Positive, negative, your journey is different, my journey is different. We might have experienced, some people might have experienced great success, some people might not have experienced any success. Let's accept that also. But now when the researchers and scientists understood this fact that people are loading their bad memories and then their present is being spoiled, they started actually breaking down it into logic. Guys, I want you to be with me while I'm discovering or breaking this logic with you people. Everything is systematic approach. The scientists thought, what is a memory? Memory is a thought of the past. Okay, that's element number one. It is a thought of the past, like something happened. Right now it doesn't exist in reality, it is only in your brain, it is in the form of a thought. That is thought. Second thing, it is a picture. Nothing but in your past. If you would have been successful, you have a memory of that. Like somebody came and maybe pat on your back or a shake hand or like hugged you, like you are awesome. Nothing but there is a pictorial representation. So there is a thought, There is a imaginary pictorial representation stored in your brain, and with that basically there are emotions attached. Yes, when you suffer in the past, you have bad suffering emotions. When you feel proud in the past, you have successful positive emotions. Now guys, nothing but your memory which you are loading here, it is a combination of three elements: thought, image and emotion. Now the researchers, the scientists of the world, they said, when it is just thought, image and emotions, why cannot we create an illusion? Maybe if I am Tausif, I might not have experienced success or greatness in my life. But what if I create a thought like I am successful? Okay, it is a thought, I am successful. What if I take it to the second level? Nothing but I imagine a picture. Okay, human being is blessed with two powers. One is the power of memories of the past. Another one is the power of visualizing and imagination. Great capability to your brain, people. What if I imagine that I am successful? Okay, one is a thought. I might not be successful right now, that is okay. But if you just imagine, first load a thought that I am successful. Second, attach a picture. Maybe right now I'm standing in a big 1,000 member, in front of 1,000 people, and I am telling my success story to them. Like I became great in my life. I have all the money, all the power, all the position. I lived it to grand happiness. If I just imagine that feeling, picturizing myself, that's the second thing. And the third thing is attach emotions to that. Guys, this is what is the core reason why people become successful. No matter what your past could have been, doesn't matter. Success, failure doesn't matter. If you choose to apply these things maybe as an illusion, just think that I am successful, attach emotions, feel that I am successful, and you do that on a day by day basis, what will happen is the brain will feel that it is true, and the brain will give instructions to your body that it is true, and then whatever you do in your life, you will definitely become successful, because you walk with pride in your life. You don't become ashamed. Guys, you might have seen it for yourself. When you accomplish something big in life, what happens? You walk with pride, right? Head held high. You're not scared to talk to people. You're like bold. You're like confident about yourself. Yes or no? That is what will happen when you feel positive. There is another personality. When you fail in life, what happens? Your body just dies down. You look to the ground. Your shoulders drop. Nothing but the brain is telling, hey, feel ashamed about yourself because you have not done something good. We want to remove this ashamedness. We want to fill it with positivity, bold confidence, by just breaking down the logic, which scientists have already done. I'm not discovering new things. I have studied these things, applied it and found the results, and the world knows it, people. Point is, we don't apply it. That is where this life transformation is coming. Three simple things. You imagine the person that you want to become. That's the thought. You visualize it. You attach emotions to that. You keep doing that on a day by day basis. The way you live your present moment will change, and the way you live right here, right now, that is how your future will change. Opportunities will come, you will be able to solve problems, and your life will give whatever you want, people. And this is nothing but, when the scientists, researchers broke this thing down, then people came up with some concept called as affirmations. Success affirmations. Some of you might have already heard about it. Success affirmations, nothing but it says, every single day, guys, this is important, every single day of your life, you need to tell yourself, I am powerful, I am amazing, everything is possible for me, I am great, I take risks in my life, I am bold, I am confident, I am limitless, I am magical, I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am prosperous. Guys, these techniques have been working since past centuries. Why are we not applying it? That's the question. Because maybe nobody told you. Or even if somebody told you, you didn't have that consistency and dedication. You didn't have that focus and hunger to become successful. That is where this life transformation will be helping you. And guys, as part of this life transformation, right from today onwards, we are going to leave our negative future in negative past in the past. Promise to yourself that when you look back in your life, no matter how worse it would have been, everybody's life is having their own troubles, but you choose what you want to see. When you keep suffering in life because something bad happened in the past, your present will suffer. And when your present suffers and every single day of your life you're suffering, your future is also going to suffer. And that is where you're living a life where there is no success going your way. As part of today, I want to tell you people, whenever you look back in your life, leave your terrible past in the past, load the successful past in your present life. And second thing, apply this concept of affirmations. Why does it say I am powerful? There is a reason. It is not about I will become powerful. No, no, no. When you say I will become or I can become, that's a different thing. That means you don't believe in yourself. But when you say I am powerful, nothing but the thought is strong, I am powerful. It's easy to imagine a powerful picture right here, right now. It is easy to attach emotions to it right here, right now. Yes or no? That is where it is I am affirmations, not I will affirmations. I will, it means you doubt yourself. I am means you're already that. And when these affirmations you listen on a day by day basis, in front of your eyes, you will find life will change in front of your eyes. And I'm not talking about long time term, guys. Maybe in 1 week or 2 weeks, you will find yourself thinking a different person. In every situation of your life, maybe in the past the way you would have interacted, now it is going to change by a simple technique. And that is what I will be performing these techniques along with you people right from today onwards. The time right now is 10:30 p.m. and every single day for 10 to 10:30 we would be understanding some concepts, and then from 10:30 onwards roughly we will be performing live success affirmations, where this is important. I want you people to believe that you are great, and these concepts work. I have applied it, I have found the difference in myself. Many people in my past 4 seasons have applied it, they have seen their own life change. The question is on you right now. Let's begin with our success affirmations. Let's do it together, people. Let's do it. Believe that you're strong. Now everybody, basic things, I'll just give you some instructions how you want to do it. Sit down, cool calm position, keep your phones aside, okay? Keep your spine erect. We are trying to combine two things together. The power of meditation with success affirmations. Okay? Power of meditation. What is meditation? Sitting in relaxed position basically. No baggage, no worries. Just sit in relaxed position. Free your arms. Be as relaxed as possible. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe in from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Okay? Slow and steady. Can you do it once with me, people, everybody? Breathe in from your nose. Slow and steady. Exhale from your mouth. Do it once again. Now, keep your eyes closed. I will be playing these affirmations right now, and I want you people to believe in every single. Don't doubt it. The person who is doubting is the old memories, and that is where, guys, you are your worst enemy. The old version of you is not going to allow you to change, but that is where we will be breaking the bond. Let's get started with the success affirmations for today. Okay, this is me, Tausif Sheikh. Close your eyes, everybody, and let the game begin, people. Miracles are coming in your life.
I have all that I need in order to succeed.
All that I need in order to succeed.
I am motivated.
I am motivated.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
My behavior is aligned with my balanced state of mind.
Yes.
Everything that I do serves my goals without affecting others.
Believe, guys, believe.
Each day I completely trust my intuition.
Yes.
I am healthy.
I am healthy.
I am beautiful.
I am beautiful.
I am wise.
I am wise.
I am made with the purpose of doing great things.
Purpose of doing great
I
things.
am a perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am a magnet attracting abundance in my life.
You attract success.
Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward.
You overcome your fears.
I am successful in any area of my life.
Successful in everything.
I am polite and respectful with any person that I meet.
Guys, you have to believe.
I am patient.
I am patient.
I am the only one who can stop me.
Guys, you are the
Everything is good right here, right now.
one. Feel good.
I trust the universe that I am doing my best, no matter the situation.
Believe.
I am loyal.
I am loyal.
I am at peace with myself.
Peace in your heart.
I respect myself, and everything that I do is meant to fulfill me.
Yes.
I am open-minded and I fully take advantage of all opportunities surrounding me.
Advantage of opportunities.
All my relationships have a purpose and they fulfill me.
Yes.
I choose to see all the opportunities surrounding me.
Guys, very important.
Prosperity surrounds me. Prosperity fulfills me. Prosperity flows towards me and through me.
Money, prosperity is coming to you.
I am able to do amazing things.
Yes.
I am worthy.
Yes.
I am balanced.
Yes.
Everything that I need comes to me at the right moment. I am powerful and present in my own life.
Yes.
I am more than enough.
Yes.
I am full-hearted.
Believe.
I am special.
I am special. Believe that.
I am at ease with the uncontrollable things happening in my life.
Let life happen.
I am ready for any challenges.
Bring it on. Challenges.
I focus on the good in any given situation.
Always the good aspect of life.
I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them.
Learn from mistakes. Everybody
I
does.
make good decisions. I am calm and relaxed in any circumstances.
Yes.
I am the creator of my own life.
Yes, you
I
are
build
the
its
creator.
foundation and I choose its content.
Awesome, people.
I am filled with
I am the creator of my own life. I build its foundation and I choose its content. As part of today, I want to choose success for you. Overcome all the limitations of the past. Feel the success. Load the success. Prepare your own life by your own hands, people.
and I exude happiness.
Always happy.
I am far superior to negative thoughts and low actions.
Yes.
I am blessed with infinite talents and I use them every single day.
Yes.
I peacefully detach myself from negative people.
No negativity, guys.
I am inspired with new and good ideas.
Yes.
I am content with all my accomplishments.
Be satisfied
I
with
am
what
brave and I am kind.
bravery, kindness.
I am a positive person and my life is filled with prosperity.
Yes.
I am admired and many people acknowledge my results.
Yes.
I am blessed with health and motivation.
Health and motivation.
I am indestructible. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am at peace with everything that happened, happens, and will happen in my life.
Yes, guys.
I am a wonderful human being.
I am a wonderful human
I
being.
am proud of everything that I've accomplished so far.
Proud of yourself.
I feel good in my own skin.
Yes.
All the universe's beauty lies within me.
Believe.
I trust myself to create an amazing life.
Yes.
I am ambitious.
Yes.
I am fearless and I take risks.
Fearless, guys. Be
I
bold.
accept new experiences. I am curious. I am a learner.
Yes.
I am grateful for my life.
Yes.
I am always happy around other people.
Happiness.
I profoundly love myself.
Yes.
I am able to achieve great things in my life.
Yes.
My inner voice is always positive in any given situation.
Yes.
I can do everything I set my mind to.
Yes.
I completely trust myself.
Believe.
I
people.
am positive.
I am positive.
My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness.
Wealth, health, and happiness.
I accept everyone around me. I am a miracle.
I am a miracle.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I am limitless.
I am limitless. Keep your eyes closed, everybody, and feel how does it feel to say I am limitless. I have no boundaries, basically. Whatever I want, I will get it in my life. How does these feelings arise, people? How does your mind and the body react to this? Nothing is impossible. Guys, how proud you feel. I am brave. I am courageous. You give me challenge and I will be knocking it down. What these beliefs are. And just imagine, if you become this person how great your life will change. And this is what is affirmations that we will be talking about. Daily installing these strong beliefs in your life, and you will never be the same what you were. Every single day, magic will happen in your life, people. Every single day. Belief is at the core. Let the thoughts sink in inside your mind and the body. Let the thoughts sink in deep down inside you, everybody. Feel the power. Okay. Now rub your palms against each other, both the palms against each other. Roll your hand over your face and slowly open up your eyes. And when you open, you believe that you are becoming better. You choose to see the strength in you, not the losses of your life, but the wins which you have. You choose to believe that I am stronger than myself. The world might have told it's not possible. My friends might have told, my family might have told, like it is not possible for us. But you should change that belief by saying I am great and I am going to make everything possible in my life. You know what, people? The final thing, every day we will be catching up at like for 45 minutes, 10 to 10:45. Reserve your calendar, guys. Reserve your calendar. And I'm telling you guys, life transformation, I am not just here to give you techniques. I am here to perform these techniques along with you. I am here to change you completely. You just show up every single day with me and I will be changing you in front of your own eyes. And it has happened in the past. The question is, do you have what it takes to be consistent right here today, tomorrow, and for everything which is planned for you? Okay? I want to tell you guys, these techniques, you might find it in some books. You might find it from some legendary people who have already lived it. But still we are not doing it. You know why? People might find this technique. They might do it for one day. They say nothing changed. They might do it for second day. They say nothing changed. And what happens when you don't see change? You give up. And that is where I created a 21-day program. Not one day, not 2 days, 21 days, because I want to change the way you think. And guys, you have accumulated a life of 25 to 30 years in the past. I want to change all those perspectives, beliefs about yourself, which you feel that you are not good. But I want to show you that's a wrong belief which is seeding in your brain and in front of your eyes. We should remove that belief and throw it away and install greatness. And that will happen every single day here with us. So show up tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to talk about one very important technique. People want to become successful, but why they are not wanting getting that? Guys, everybody has set up some New Year resolutions, yes or no? But how many of us are able to really make it possible? That means you want to become successful, but you are not able to do that. Why? Because the main problem is your brain. The main problem is your subconscious mind. Tomorrow, we will be spending time in understanding how does your brain and the body will avoid you to go towards your own success. And once you understand that, then you will be like, okay, how can I fail myself? I will not allow myself to do that. And tomorrow onwards, your life will be changing because you will own your life by your own hands. How can I fail myself? That's a question. That's where there is one affirmation. I am my worst enemy. You might have heard that quote. You are your biggest enemy. Not the world outside, but the world which is within you. And we need to correct the system by which we think, by which we live. Thank you everybody for showing up today. Tomorrow is going to be yet another day of transformation. If you are in the hunger journey for becoming successful, I have huge experiences for you, not just talks, but actions and results. Let's make the most of this moment. Love you people. If you are really in a hunger for success, let's do it together. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. 10 p.m. sharp tomorrow, third day of life transformation. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.